John Klabaska from the Men with Tools here. I'm standing behind this wall for a reason. This tiny hole my beautiful blue eye is peeking through, it represents the air infiltration rating of the ThermaLast window, our exclusive window. Now here's the air infiltration of a well-known window brand that shall remain nameless.
It's the equivalent of removing 4 bricks from a wall.
To demonstrate how drafty this is, one of our really good-looking customers with amazing hair is going to help. Here we go. That's a lot of air leakage. Now, here's what our ThermaLast window lets in. Why such a dramatic difference? Our windows are literally 15 times more airtight than most name brand window manufacturers. How? A combination of cutting-edge technology and our own special 60-point installation process. The bottom line is, when it comes to air infiltration, other brands talk, but we deliver.